I hear all the time that eating plant-based, it seems overwhelming. Where do I start? What do I get at the market? Can I eat anything more than salads? How would I ever get my family on board? Sound familiar? I'm Chef Daniela Malfitano, and I want to help you go plant-based. Why? Because it's the healthiest for your body and the healthiest for the planet. I want to make it really easy for you, but most importantly, super fun and super delicious. That's why I've created a Taste of PlantBased. It's a mini cookbook with 5 of my favorite plant-based recipes, one for each time of day. I've also included a grocery list to make your trip to the market even easier. And it's all free. I just want you to have these resources so that you can learn to feel confident in the kitchen. And if any of this still feels a bit uncomfortable, then join me Monday through Friday on my live stream where I'm going to demo each of these recipes. You'll learn really just how easy it is to make. Download the cookbook right here, and I hope that this is a really useful resource for you along your plant-based journey. I'll see you in the kitchen. Feel like how I'm using my eyebrows?